Hi, so we have Dr. Gaurang Krishna with us. Hello, doctor.
Hi, Gaurav.
And I'm here for my hair fall problem. From last few years, I'm experiencing hair thinning. Basically, from the temple area, I'm losing little hair. And I think it's hereditary because my dad had the same hair loss from the temple areas. I want your guidance, like how I can prevent this, how I can, slow down the whole process.
We'll just have a quick look.
Yeah.
Examination.
Now you will examine my hair.
Yeah. So what we are going to do is that we are see a magnified view of your hair
Okay.
to check for the pathology.
Okay.
First, of course, prima facie, when we look at it, it looks like a male pattern hair loss.
Yeah.
But we have to see certain points on magnified view to ascertain it's the problem.
Okay.
And the treatment will be according to the diagnosis.
Perfect.
As expected, so we are seeing a reduction in the hair density, right? And there is a lot of variation of hair thickness. So, and there is no other pathology. So all these are signs of classical male pattern hair loss where the scalp is normal. And just as a control thing, we'll compare it with the back area. So now the more we see a increase in the hair density. We see much fuller hair overall.
Now I want to know like what's the procedure, how can I help reduce my hair fall और जो density खराब हो रही है जो हमने अब देखा उसको हम कैसे अब improve कर सकते हैं?
So now, unfortunately, we can't cure this problem, but it can be easily controlled.
Okay.
The treatment options are aplenty. So we have tablets, lotions, and PRP treatment.
So there are tablets, there are lotions,
and there are injections.
injections.
Tablets give you the best effect, but the tablets may have certain risk also.
Okay.
So when we are faced with an early hair loss like you who has an overall healthy lifestyle, we try to treat it without the oral medication.
Okay.
So what we will do is use some hair boosting lotions,
Okay.
and we'll do hair boosting injections, which is basically PRP.
PRP.
So what the lotions will do, lotions will primarily enhance the blood flow around your hair follicle. And with long-term usage, it will balance your hair cycle. Eventually, you will have less hair fall, better hair growth, and thickened hair. Actually, we will inject some growth factors.
Okay.
These growth factors will be made from your own blood. We will
Okay.
be taking your blood, around 40 ml. We'll be processing it in a machine at certain parameters, and then we'll get a rich source of your own growth factor.
Own growth factor.
These growth factors will be injected carefully at the right depth on the scalp, and this will stimulate your hair root.
Perfect.
So this will reduce your hair fall. Like while shampooing, you're experiencing hair is falling all around you.
Yeah.
This will get better. The hair density, as in the thickness of hair, will get better. So you'll have a fuller volume.
Okay. So is the process painful?
Well, these are injections, so it will not only zero pain, but they are well tolerated.
Okay.
So we do a lot of patients, and we do under mild local anesthesia, and patient tolerated. Think of it like a dental procedure.
Okay.
Like you get some drilling done in your ear, so the dentist give you a small shot. Usually will give you a mild shot, which is not too painful, and then scalp is normal.
After 2-3 hours, this will get normal.
Normal. So
Or is there any downtime also?
no downtime really.
Okay.
So out of thousands of patients that we have done till now, only 2 had mild swelling
Okay.
overnight.
Okay.
That's it.
So that's negligible.
Negligible.
Yeah.
Mostly we call it a lunchtime procedure or a walk-in walk-out procedure. You just come for 1.5 hours, we'll do the procedure and then resume your work. The only thing is that we don't want you to gym or do physical exertion on that day.
On that day.
And that's it. That's it really.
Okay, so you can't do gym or any physical exercises on the day of the PRP procedure. But I want to say that a lot of people जिनको hair fall का problem होता है, but वो address नहीं करते doctors के पास. Maybe they feel shy और वो बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं. But I guess early stages में जैसे मेरा भी grade 1 है, my hair are quite good. Starting में सब बोलते हैं बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं, but still I don't want to lose hair early. So I want to slow down the process.
Yes.
And if there are no negative side effects of this, so why can't we go for it?
We are at zero side effect.
Yeah, zero
It's
does
your own
side
blood
effect.
product. So
Yes. And this process is FDA approved also.
Well, process is not FDA approved, and
Okay.
most of the time any procedures are not FDA. FDA approval is primarily as it's a food and drug approval, so it's primarily for medicines and sometimes for equipment.
Okay.
So surgeries or procedures are out of the purview of FDA.
Okay.
So PRP traditionally is like a very old procedure, but traditionally it was used as a regenerative medicine for sports injuries, bone injuries, muscle injuries. Now, since last 7 to 8 years, it has been used in a lot in hair loss.
Okay.
And now it's not something which is new or experimental anymore. A lot of proper good quality studies have been done, which have shown that it has become a recognized modality of hair loss treatment. Of course, when your hair loss is advanced, then we need to do something hormonal.
Yeah.
Then PRP alone will not work. But when the hair loss is early, PRP as a monotherapy also is effective. or it's a good adjuvant to the main hormonal therapy.
Okay.
So it's not FDA approved. It will never be FDA approved because it's outside the purview of FDA. But it's been proven to.
And of course, this depends on doctor to doctor, so it can't be FDA approved.
And yes, it is procedure dependent. So that's another reason why it can't. Like hair transplant, for example.
Yeah.
It's not an FDA approved thing because it's not a fixed treatment. It varies.
Yeah. So I'm with Dr. Varan Krishna and he's quite experienced. So I'm going for it for the PRP procedure and let's see how the results will come later on after a few months.
Sure.
Yes, let's go.
All right.